Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to B10X. Today's video is going to be an exciting one as we dive into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on learning Excel. Specifically, we'll be comparing two powerful tools, Google Gemini and ChatGPT, to find out which one is the best for mastering Excel. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that we are offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description box below. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Now let's jump into the comparison. As we explore the capabilities of Google Gemini and ChatGPT, it's important to understand their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to learning Excel. Google Gemini, with its intuitive interface and guided tutorials, offers a user friendly experience. On the other hand, ChatGPT provides a conversational approach, making learning more interactive and personalized. We'll dive into various features, including ease of use, available learning resources, and the overall learning curve. This will give you a comprehensive understanding of which tool aligns perfect with your learning style and requirements. So, first of all, let's ask ChatGPT and Google Gemini what are the top 5 advanced Excel functions. So, let's do that. As you can see, here we got the output for ChatGPT. You can see we got index match, VLOOKUP, sum ifs and count ifs, pivot tables, array functions. And in Google Gemini, we got index match, sum ifs, count ifs, XLOOKUP, filter, text join. Now, before we dive deeper into the comparison of both the tools, I would like to tell you one important thing. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. First of all, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using ChatGPT. So, if you are using ChatGPT, then you don't get the option to upload any kind of files like images, CSV files, or Excel files. You will only get option to upload any files to ChatGPT when you opt for Plus membership. So for that you have to pay $20 per month. Here you can see we have to pay $20 per month to upgrade to Plus. So there you will get plenty of options, like you can upload files and you'll get access to additional tools. There you can do data analysis and things like that. And when come to advantage, you don't get any links, so which will take you to another websites or something like that. Whatever you will ask, you'll get the result in front of you, so you don't need to go to another websites to get data. That means there is very less amount of distraction when you are learning Excel. For example, here, if I want to know more about index match, I can just ask about it. So I just asked ChatGPT, can you explain more about index match? So here we are getting explanation of index match with syntax, parameters, use case, then example. So we are getting all this data here itself. We don't need to go to any other third party websites to get the exact information. And there is another disadvantage. This is the advantage and another one is a disadvantage. Like, so chat gpt is already pre-trained on data. Here we won't get access to internet, so the data, current data won't be there in ChatGPT. So what happening today, it won't be present in ChatGPT. What has already happened, uh, that will be there. Now let's talk more about Google Gemini, its advantages and disadvantages. One thing is, when you are using Google Gemini, you don't need to upgrade to pro version or plus version, because here you can upload images. So for example, if I want to extract data from an Excel sheet, so which is like having data something like this, I just have to take screenshot and I can upload it and get the data. I will show you how we can do that. As you can see here, I have uploaded a screenshot of this Excel sheet. I'm just going to ask Google Gemini to extract data from the below image. As you can see here, we got the extract of the data from the image. So this is the biggest advantage which Google Gemini has, but ChatGPT doesn't. So one of the disadvantages which Google Gemini has is, like, here you can see here we are getting few links so related to those topics. So for example, let's click on this link which is about XLOOKUP Excel function. Here you can see, so this is one of the distraction which we are getting. So we just want this data, we don't need extension to that, and we don't want that one, right? So the link, so if the assistant is explaining good enough, that's okay for us. We don't need this hyperlink or something like that. So this is one of the distraction. And another advantage which Google Gemini has, so we can access latest information, because Google Gemini is connected to internet, whereas ChatGPT does not. So while learning Excel, Google Gemini can help you in a better way when compared to ChatGPT, because we got access to internet and we can upload images and we can extract data from them. So yeah, it's better to use Google Gemini if you are trying to learn Microsoft Excel or trying to learn new Excel formulas. As we conclude our comparison, it's evident that both Google Gemini and ChatGPT have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The choice ultimately depends on your individual preferences and learning goals. Before we wrap up, do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, don't forget to check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.